In this video, I'm going to show you how to resend marketing emails in Hubspot. This is useful if you want to reach contacts who didn't open your first email or if you want to correct a small mistake in a previous send. First, log into your Hubspot account. Go to the Marketing tab at the top, then click on Email. If you don't see it directly, use the search bar at the top and type Email. Click on it from the search results. Once you're in the email dashboard, find the email you want to resend. Click on the email to open its details, then select Resend. Next, choose the audience for the resend. You can select contacts who didn't open the original email or a custom segment of your contacts. Make any necessary changes to the subject line, preview text, or content if needed. After reviewing, click Send or Schedule to resend the email to your selected audience. That's it. You've successfully resent a marketing email in HubSpot, giving you another chance to reach your contacts effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more HubSpot tutorials. See you in the next video.